In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Sonnet artifacts. Whether you're an experienced user looking to explore new features or someone just getting started with Claude, understanding how to effectively use artifacts can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. First, let's begin by ensuring that the artifacts feature is enabled in your Claude settings. Open the Claude application on your device. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find your profile picture, or if you haven't set one, your initials will be displayed. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu and select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, you'll want to look for the Artifacts section. Depending on the version of Claude you are using, this might also be labeled under Capabilities and then Artifacts. Once you've located this section, make sure that the Artifacts feature is toggled on. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and switch it on. This step is crucial as it allows Claude to not only access but also create and manage artifacts for you. Now that we have the Artifacts feature enabled, we can proceed to the next step, which is asking Claude to create an artifact. This is where the real magic happens. Claude is incredibly versatile and can generate various types of artifacts based on your needs. To make the most out of this feature, you'll want to use clear and specific prompts. For instance, if you're working on organizing your tasks, you might ask, create a project plan as an artifact. This will prompt Claude to produce a detailed project plan suitable for your work. If you're in need of a financial tool, try something like, build a personal budget tracker as an artifact, and Claude will guide you through creating a functional and easy-to-understand expense tracker. For those interested in web development, you might instruct Claude to create a responsive HTML portfolio website. This prompt will help you generate a simple yet effective website structure that you can further customize to suit your personal brand. Additionally, anyone involved in software development will find it beneficial to request, generate a flowchart showing the software development lifecycle, allowing you to visualize complex processes effortlessly. After you issue a prompt, Claude will present the resulting artifact in a panel beside the chat. This layout makes it incredibly easy to reference your conversation with Claude alongside the artifact, enabling you to make quick adjustments as needed without losing track of the context. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to harness the full power of Claude Sonnet's artifact capabilities, making your workflow more efficient and tailored. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you interact with Claude, the more adept you'll become at leveraging these features to meet your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!